Hi everyone, every tip I'm going to give you here has been tested by professionals in the shop where I'm at, so don't worry, this is fixable. If your Hyundai shows the dreaded check LKAS message, the first thing you shouldn't do is panic. It doesn't mean your car has gone crazy or is about to shut off. The most common reason for this warning is surprise, a dirty or blocked front camera. Yes, that tiny camera behind the rearview mirror is very delicate. Many mechanics here have said that just cleaning the windshield and the camera lens with a soft cloth made the message disappear. Sometimes it's dust, sometimes morning dew, even something you wouldn't notice at first glance. So before you reach for your wallet, give it a good clean. If you've already cleaned the camera and the warning is still there, check where and how you're driving. LKAS needs clear lane lines and good visibility. If it's heavy rain, foggy, or if you're going too slow or too fast, the system can turn off by itself. Even if other systems like stability control are active, LKAS might decide to take a break. Basically, your car is being cautious, not dramatic. Now, if everything seems normal and the message keeps appearing, you probably need a professional recalibration. This happens a lot after repairs, bumps, or even windshield replacements. The camera needs to be perfectly aligned and connected to work properly. Mechanics with the right tools can get everything back to normal. And many owners confirmed in forums that after this, the warning disappeared like magic. Another tip many recommend is using an OBD2 scanner that supports advanced systems. This helps you pinpoint exactly what's failing, whether it's the camera, a sensor, the ECU, or even an electrical issue. Some people try generic readers and nothing shows up, so if you want a serious fix, you need professional tools. And yes, in some cases, the camera or front sensor is actually damaged and needs to be replaced. Some reported that only after installing a new original camera and recalibrating it did the check LKAS disappear for good. So even though it sounds expensive, sometimes it's the only solution.